Hello my friends. My name is Ino. Our lesson today is adding a simple product to your WooCommerce WordPress website. Without further ado, let us begin. First step, log into your WordPress dashboard in any browser. You simply do this by adding /wp-admin after your domain name. On the following screen, enter your username and password. Then log in. Now you are in the dashboard. Step 2. Prepare pictures and the descriptions you will use for your product. The best place to find these is Google Images. Simply search for the product you want by name. Browse through the images. Once you find the one you want to use, right-click on it and save it somewhere on your computer. Make sure it's somewhere where you will find it when you are looking for it. If you want to copy the description as well, right-click on the image and open it in a new page. There you can copy both the image and description. Good, now we are set to go. Step 3. Now we are back on our WordPress dashboard. On the left column, navigate to Products. Click Add New. Now start adding the new product. First, give it a title. Then, give it a description here. I am using WP Bakery Page Builder. That is why mine looks like this. The default will look like this. Please note, this is the description that will appear at the bottom of your product. Like this one we are copying. Scroll down to Product Data. Select Simple Product. Under General, do the following. Put the price. If the product is on discount, put the discounted price on sale price. If it is on discount for a period of time, schedule the time. Under Inventory, do the following. Put an SKU. It is just another name or serial number of the product. For demonstration, I use the same name as the title. If you want to show stock quantity in your website, enable Manage Stock. Then modify to your liking. If you don't want to show stock quantity in your website, leave Manage Stock disabled. Then modify to your liking. Under Shipping, do the following. Select the shipping class if you have. If you don't have, see our tutorial on WooCommerce shipping settings. Under Linked Products, do the following. Put your choice of linked products and cross-sells. Take note, the little question mark is a help tool to make you understand. Now scroll down to Product Short Description. Please note, this is the description that will appear next to your product. Like this one we are copying. Now scroll up and focus on the right column. Under Product Categories, select as many categories as you think your product falls under. There's also an option to add new category. Under Product Tags, add as many tags as you like. Scroll down to Product Image. Click Set Product Image. Click File Uploads. Click Select Files. Browse for the image we saved in Step 2. When it finishes uploading, click Set Product Image. Product Gallery Images. These are extra images for your product. We will download another image for this section. You can download as many as you want. Then upload them. Scroll up and click Publish. Final step. When you get product published, click View Product. Preferable in a new tab. Congratulations, you have a new product.